Wow, hot pepper.
Welcome to Mariana's wonderful kitchen. So today I'm going to show you guys on how to make peppers at home using these hot peppers. So if you're a lover of hot peppers or spicy food, then definitely this video is for you. So my husband loves eating any of his food. He loves having a side of pepper on the side. So today in this video I'm going to show you two ways on how to make fresh peppers at home in your comfortable kitchen like me. So stick around until at the end of the video and I'll show you two ways on how to make peppers. So let's not waste time and let's get started. So today we're gonna do hot peppers. If you are a lover of hot peppers, follow me. Let's get into it, guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna wash out the chilies so that we can get started. So I'm washing them out in cold water. So my son is going to help me out in case if you guys hear him in the background talking. So I bought this at the supermarket. So if you're in Canada, in Montreal, you can let me know in the comment and then I'll let you know where I bought it. And I bought it at Super C. It was $3 this whole box. Quite affordable. So these ones you find them sometimes so expensive. So I'll just wash them out very well and then I'm gonna remove it like this. So you wash them out and then you just press here and then it goes off because I don't need that when I'm blending my chilies. So just like this. Just like that. So now my peppers are done to be clean. So now we are going to the next step, which is now to blend them. So I'm gonna use all these peppers and then I'm gonna use my 6 garlic that I'm gonna mix it. So now we are going to start with the next step, which is now to blend the peppers. So I'm gonna put them inside here. Oops. So one just fell down. And then I'm gonna add 1 cup of oil to help it blend. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of white pepper. Then I'm gonna add my 6 garlics fresh inside here. Then we're gonna close this up. So and then I am just gonna start. So and then I'm just gonna blend this up. This is off. Let's turn that on. Whoop, I think now it's on. Yeah. So we're just gonna go smooth. Don't make it too fast. Now let's look into it. How is our peppers? I smell the spiciness. So look at this. Really looks good. So you do not want it to be smushy. The aim is you want to have that spiciness inside. So this is enough for me. So then we are going to go to the next step. Okay, so the first step of my peppers are done. So you just blend them and then I'm gonna just transfer them inside here. So if you like it very fresh in your food, then this is the first way on how to make your peppers at home. Very fresh and extremely spicy. So with this you need to be very careful, but it's delicious though. You can eat it with anything and this can last up to 2 weeks and it will remain fresh. So to keep it fresh for the entire 3 weeks, you need to add a little bit of oil to that freshening. So this is your chili number 1. So now I'm going to show you the second one as well. So So this is your chili. Number one, look at this. This is yummy. This is fresh. This is just delicious. So look at this. These are my spicy peppers. So this is the first step. So I'm going to show you the second step. This looks yummy. It's delicious. Okay, so the second spicy chili I'm going to show you is we're going to use the same one. So this I'll transfer some here that we're going to keep. So I'll show you the other one with this other half. So if you don't like this roll like this, so we're gonna cook this half part, and I'm gonna show you the second one. So let's get to the second one that I'm gonna show you guys how to cook this one. But if you like it like this, you can as well just keep it fresh like this, and it's good to be eaten with anything. So now with this one, once you've blended, you just transfer it here. But the secret to this is that you need to cook it on very, very low heat. You need to cook it on very, very low heat. And so now we're gonna leave this to cook for like 15 minutes to 20 minutes. So don't cook it on high heat, otherwise your peppers is not gonna come out perfectly. So we're gonna leave this for 20 to 15 minutes and let it cook on very low heat. So look how beautiful this is coming together. This looks yummy. So I haven't added any oil. It's the oil that we're adding to the blender. So if you like it also this way a little bit cooked. So this is after the 15 minutes. Oops. I went out. So yeah, this is my chili. Looks yummy, looks fresh, ready to be dipped in on the side. So now these are my chili. So this is one and this is two. So yes, this is the one that is cooked a bit, and this is the one that is just blend. So they are all here for you guys. So this is how they look. So this is your number one. Number two, you prefer them fresh like that, a little bit cooked like that. So both of them are good, just which one you like more. So this is the French crack, very strong. It's a little bit toned down, but also yummy. It on my side, and then I am going to dip in with my chili